Zach's in 7th grade now. He started at King in 2nd grade. My son came home one day last year and said he wanted to be a historian, and that was directly attributable to what he was doing, to how much he enjoyed his history class and how focused and how invested the teacher was in engaging the children and making them want to learn more. In fact, he even asked for supplemental work because he wanted to learn as much as he could. And to me, one of the most important things and why I chose to send Zach to King as opposed to any place we could go was I want, if I can come out of it with my son having a love of learning and being and wanting to give back to the community, I can't think of a better and is happy. I can't think of a better thing you could want for your child.